Alright, so making a quick video on how to balance a vehicle on a car hauler. Basically what I have set up here is a F-250 pulling a 69 Mustang on a car hauler. I actually fabricated the hauler myself, but you can get one very similar to this. And so the biggest question, how do you balance the load? Just so your car doesn't wobble as it goes down the road. So basically what I did was I unload the vehicle and hooked it up to a cherry picker. And there's a load cell. I hooked up a load cell right there and put a chain to the trailer tongue and just pull on it, make sure all your loads will leave. Right now I had it on the ground, but when I take the measurement out, just lift the leg up or the stands to get a full load. And what they say is trying to have a ratio of 60-40, 60 in the front and 40 in the back. And so that leaves me about maybe 500 pounds or so on the tongue weight. Maybe 500 to 600 pounds. What I got right now is 550, and it looks pretty nice and balanced. You can see this is a dual axle trailer, and so yeah, the car is a little bit forward from the center of the two axle. Pretty well balanced right now. So anyhow, that's the setup, and I'm gonna drive down the road and see how well it's balanced, but I think it should be good.